TextNow app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of your application. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, type in TextNow. If the application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings, scroll below onto apps, and here search for your application named TextNow. Now, for instance, if this is my TextNow app, tap onto storage and clear the data. Before clearing this application's data, make sure that you remember all your credentials. Tap on delete. Now come back onto app info page and tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Once you do all that, this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working for you, then uninstall that application, reinstall it again, get logged into your account, and this will definitely fix your app not working problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.